Hi everyone, this is Kieran. Just going to start off our first exercise by gathering together some images that are in the public domain, otherwise known as CC0 licensed images. The place to start with this is Google Advanced Image Search, so just search for that. In the dialog we're looking for images that are free to use or modify. You can choose any kind of type. We don't really mind what comes up. Safe search if you want to filter explicit results, or not if you like to party, whatever. Make sure you're looking at any region. If you haven't clicked this button before, what you'll find is that it usually sits at the end of the list, but because I've already done it, it's sitting at the top there, so make sure any region. We're looking for photographs in particular, so choosing photo. And we're wanting to set a minimum size of 2 megapixels to ensure that we've got enough resolution for our task. I'm just going to go ahead and search for marbled book cover, and I'll just check through those things again. Larger than 2 megapixels, yep. Photo, yeah, let's go ahead and search, and there we go. So we should see now that our results are reflecting those things that we've chosen. Yeah, I can see that one is, my eyes aren't very good. I can't actually see how high the resolution. I think it was over 2000, so that's pretty good. Just going to swing over and have a look at the licensing. Gee, it's such a beautiful book cover. Oh yeah, so over 2,500 pixels. That's heaps for us. Just having a look at the license, we can see a bit further down the page here the licensing information. This work is in the public domain, which means we can do whatever we like with it. I'm guessing that the publishing date was greater than 70 or 75 years, whatever the limit is, and that indicates why it's in the public domain.